Yo, listen up in this video today. We're watching the road, roller working the way. Heavy machine making ground real tight, pressing and shaking till the surface feels right. Step one, big drum rolls on the ground. Weight drops heavy, pushing dirt all around. Static load first, that's the base of the game. Pressure plus power, never the same. Roll it, shake it, tighten the land. Road rollers, magic, strong and grand. Pass after pass, the soil's in line. Solid foundation built to shine. Inside the drum, vibrations spin. Breaking resistance, letting soil sink in. Every layer tighter, no space to spare. That's how roads get tough anywhere. Single drum hits the gravel bold. Tandem rollers smooth the asphalt cold. Rubber tires need seal